Good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss about the how to find the area of a triangle by Heron formula. We will discuss what is Heron formula, why we need Heron formula. Let's recall previous class. We have learned about the triangle, its property, and we also learned in previous class that how to find area of a triangle whose base and height is given. We know we can calculate the area of a triangle whose base and corresponding height are given. Here let's see. Here ABC is a triangle in which B is the base and H is the corresponding height. If we have to find the area of such a type of triangle, then there is a formula that 1 by 2 into B into H. Here B equal to base and H equal to corresponding height. Similarly, here we have seen one example. If we have to find the area of a triangle having sides AB equal to 4 centimeter, BC equal to 3 centimeter and CD equal to 5 centimeter. Here we are saying that here height is not given. What we will do in such a type of question we will discuss later. Let's see. Once again, we also aware that how to find the area of a equilateral triangle, and we also know that how to find the area of a isosceles triangle. Now question in front of us arise that what we will do in type of a triangle in which there is a height is not given and the triangle is not equilateral triangle and the triangle is also not a isosceles triangle. In such type of triangle what we will do mean to say that if a triangle is a scalene triangle in which all sides are unequal, how to find the area of such type of a triangle we will see. For example, here we are seeing that all sides of our triangle are unequal. So this triangle is a scalene triangle. Here we have not given height and this triangle is not equilateral triangle and this triangle is not a isosceles triangle. For to find area of such type of triangle we need Heron formula. Here basically Heron formula is used to find the area of a triangle whose three sides are given. Heron formula equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square root, where S is the semi-perimeter and A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. We also know that perimeter of a triangle is the sum of all the sides of a triangle. So semi-perimeter equal to half of perimeter. So we discuss here Heron formula. Now apply Heron formula in this example. We are able to find the area of the triangle. First we calculate perimeter, then we calculate semi-perimeter, then we simply put the value of A, B and C in Heron formula. Now we will see the application of Heron formula. By using Heron formula we can also calculate the area of a quadrilateral. Here suppose there is a quadrilateral whose sides are A, B, C and D and diagonal is given. Then we can calculate the area of quadrilateral by dividing the quadrilateral into two triangles. Then we can apply easily Heron formula in these two types of triangle, and then by adding them we can also calculate the area of a quadrilateral easy. Now see the next what we will do to find the area of a equilateral triangle by Heron formula. Here is the concept that By applying Heron formula in equilateral triangle, we can prove easily the our basic formula of to find find the area of equilateral triangle. As we also know that area of equilateral triangle equal to under root 3 by 4 a square. We can also prove it by an Heron formula. For example, if there is a triangle whose all sides are A and we have to find the area of such a type of triangle, then what we will do first? We will find the perimeter of such type of triangle. For example, in this triangle, perimeter equal to 3a and semi perimeter equal to 3a by 2. Here all sides are equal, so put the all sides and semi perimeter in the Heron formula. We will get the under root 3 by 4 a square, which is the formula for area of an equilateral triangle. So we have learnt that we can find the area of any type of triangle by Heron formula. Here we have given a concept based question: what equilateral triangle would have the same area as a triangle with sides 6, 8, 10? Here sides are given. We can easily apply the Heron formula in this question and we can easily get the area of the triangle. So once again we revise the concept of Heron formula, what we have learned about the Heron formula. Application of Heron formula is that if we have given a triangle in which we are not known about the corresponding height, we also know that the triangle is not an equilateral triangle is not a isosceles triangle, then we will use Heron formula to find the area of such a type of triangle. So we also learn that we can find the area of the quadrilateral by using of Heron formula. Here we see the area of a quadrilateral by using Heron formula. So in mathematics there is a well defined use of Heron formula. It is a very good application by which we can easily calculate the area of triangle, quadrilateral and all such type of a triangle. So I hope you all are able to understand the concept of Heron formula very well. Thank you very much.